Pleasant evening to everyone. Welcome to 10 Max. Now I am moving to exercise 2.3, question number 2. So what is the question? Given tree condition, solution, given condition Z1 is equal to 3, then Z2 is equal to minus 7i, then Z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i. Now show that subdivision 1, okay, subdivision 1, LH is equal to, what is the term actually? Z1 into Z2 plus Z3. So first I have taken for, I am going to taking Z2 plus Z3. So Z2 plus Z3 is equal to, Z2 is equal to what is the value? Minus 7i, then plus 5 plus 4i. Again, first I have taken the real part, that is 5 minus 7i plus 4i, therefore minus 3i, isn't it? Then after getting Z2 plus Z3 multiply with Z1, அதாவது Z2 Z3ல கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சரை எதால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம்? Z1. So listen my dear, that is Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 value already we know 3. So 3 into 5 minus 3a. So each and every time நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். So 3 into 5 15 minus 3 into 3. So minus 9i. This is actually equation number 1. Now I am moving to RHS term. What is RHS term actually? Z1, Z2, isn't it? So Z1, Z2 plus Z1, Z3. That is actually RHS is equal to. So first condition Z1 into Z2. Z1 is equal to what is the value? So 3 into minus 7i multiply, so minus 21i, isn't it? First term. Again Z1 into Z3, Z1 into Z3. Again Z1 is equal to 3, Z3 means 5 plus 4i. So multiply now, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 4 12, so plus 12i. So now both the term we should be added, isn't it? So what is the term? Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z2, what is the answer? Minus 21i, then plus Z1 into Z3, what is the value? 15 plus 12i. So add it now, first real part 15, then imaginary part actually plus 12 minus 21, definitely minus 9i will come. 15 minus 9i, isn't it? Therefore this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, can write it hence proved. Okay, this is subdivision 1 answer. Now I am moving to subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, again Z1 is equal to same 3, Z2 is equal to minus 7i, so Z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i. Subdivision 2, LHS is equal to Z1 plus Z2 into Z3, isn't it? First I have taken Z1 plus Z2, so Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, so 3 minus 7i. Okay, now after getting Z1 plus Z2 value multiply into Z3. So Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to 3 minus 7i into Z3 means 5 plus 4i. Multiply now. So 3 into 5 15. Again 3 into 4i means plus 12i. Minus 7 into 5 minus 35i. Again minus 7 into 4 28i square. I square means value will be minus 1. So again 15 plus 12i minus 35i. So minus 28 into minus 1, because I square is equal to value will be minus 1. So again this is actually minus into minus positive. So 28 plus 15, definitely 43. Again plus 12i minus 35i. So minus 23, isn't it? So minus 23i. This is equation number 1. So now I am moving to RHS, okay, from subdivision 2. So RH is equal to Z1 into Z3, then Z2 into Z3. First term actually Z1 into Z3. Z1 is equal to 3, then Z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i. Multiply now 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 3 plus 12i. After getting Z1, Z3, keep it. Now next one, Z2 into Z3. Z2 into Z3. Z2 is equal to minus 7i into Z3, 5 plus 4i, isn't it? So now 5 plus 4i. Again minus 7 into 5, minus 35i. Minus 35i. Again minus into plus minus 4 into 7, 28i square. So again minus 35i. So I square means value will be minus 1. Again minus into minus positive. So 28 minus 35i. So again after getting Z1, Z3, Z2 and Z3, add, isn't it? Add it means what will happen? So Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z3, what the value? 15 plus 12i plus Z2 into Z3, what is the value? 28 minus 35i. So now add it, 15 plus 28, definitely what the term will come? 28 plus 15 means 43. Next one plus 12i minus 35i. So minus 23, isn't it? Minus 23i. This is actually equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 actually 43 minus 23i, as well as RH is also equation number 2, 43 minus 23i. Therefore final line from 1 and 2, LH is equal to RHS, isn't it? So hence proved, isn't it? Therefore our proof also will be correct. So please listen, my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.